here's how you do a macrame square knot. Now, best thing to do is number your strings. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take string number 1 and create a number 4 shape. Take string number 4 and bring it in front of that number 1 string. Take the bottom of the number 4 string and you want to put it in the hole between strings 1 and 2. So you take it behind strings 2 and 3 and pull it through the hole. The hole is between strings 1 and 2. And you simply pull the ends. And that's it. And you just go back the other way. So you take string number 4, you make a 4 shape, hold it in place, and you bring string 1 in front of string number 4. You put it behind strings 2 and 3 and through the hole that's between strings 3 and 4. And you pull the ends. And there you have your full square knot. And you simply repeat. And there you have a chain of square knots.